What's up guys, Josef Rakich, your online personal trainer. Today in this video we're going to be training biceps. So I'm going to take you through the exercises that I do and explain a bit of my technique and how I personally like to train the biceps. So my first exercise here is free weight preacher curls with an EZ bar. Now with this EZ bar there is two different variations of grips. There's the wide grip and there's the close grip. The bicep muscle is made up of two main muscle heads. The bicep short head, which is the inner part of the bicep, and the bicep long head, which is the outer part of the bicep. The bicep short head, the inner, is what creates the bicep mass, and the bicep long head, the outer part of the bicep, is what forms the bicep peak. Using a wide grip is gonna, no matter what bicep exercise you do, both your short head and your long head are going to be activated, but depending on your grip it'll have different amount of stress on the different muscle heads. Now using a wide grip like this is going to be working more of the bicep short head inner, so this is going to be building the mass of the biceps. Now if I was using a close grip here, that would be putting more emphasis on the bicep long head, creating a better bicep peak. I think for my first exercise I did about 5 sets. Really want to focus on getting a good contraction on every rep. Squeeze the bicep. Every time you squeeze the bicep, feel the blood pump into that muscle. Alright, my second exercise now. This exercise here, it's pretty much just an exercise to pump the muscle with blood pretty much. Not heavy, we're using high repetitions and lots of little fast reps. Keeping the bicep muscle under tension the whole time. Again, like I said, we're not going heavy, keeping the weight light, making the bicep do all the work. I can't remember how much sets I did here, maybe 3 or 4. I'm using my other hand to spot myself just to get a few extra force reps out, and that's what's really going to help the bicep grow. In order to achieve muscle hypertrophy, increase in muscle cell size, you want to push the muscle past its limitations, past its comfort zone. This way the body has to adapt so it can cope with that load next time you put it underneath that type of stress. And sometimes you get to the point where your bicep muscle or any muscle group that you're training just will not work because it becomes so fatigued. So you use a friend to spot you, or you can spot yourself like as I do on this machine here. Just helps get those extra force reps out. That way we can force the muscle to grow. Maybe do more than 4 sets here. Okay, I must be done with that exercise now. Okay, this exercise here, we're doing hammer curls on the incline bench. The reason we're doing it on the incline bench is so that you get a better stretch for the bicep. With a better stretch, you can get a better contraction. Hammer curls are a good exercise for developing the bicep long head, which, like I explained in the earlier part of this video, the bicep long head is the outer part of the bicep, which creates the bicep peak. On each rep, I want to get a stretch and then drag it up. So each rep, I focus on drag. Drag. This is probably one of my favorite bicep exercises at the moment. Always get a good pump from this. And some pretty epic facials as well. So as well as all this training, diet is very important. You can't just eat whatever you want. You have to follow a very strict diet. You have to meet your protein requirements, you have to meet your fat requirements. You have to have the right amount of calories depending on what you're trying to achieve. If you're trying to lose body fat, you want to be in a calorie deficit, which is less calories than what your body needs on a daily basis. If you're trying to gain weight, gain muscle, then you have to be in a calorie surplus, which means you have to be consuming more calories than what your body needs and your body burns. For anyone that wants a personalized meal plan or a personalized workout program, be sure to visit my website in the description box down below, and I can create you the perfect meal plan and the perfect workout program. In my meal plans, I work out how much calories you need exactly, depending on many factors such as your height, your weight, age, gender, daily activity level, as there are so many different factors in which determine how much calories you need. I then work out how much protein, carbs and fats that you require, and I create the perfect meal plan suited for you. Same with the workout program. I can create you a workout program designed so you can achieve your goals, whatever they may be. If you want to bulk up, build mass, or if you want to cut down and get shredded, I can create the perfect workout program designed for you. So this is my last set now. This set's much lighter. Just doing a bit of a drop set. The lighter it gets, the more I try to focus on my form. Good muscle-mind connection, really focus on the muscle working and the muscle moving the weight. This exercise here is called spider curls. It's another good exercise for the bicep peak. I'm using a fairly close grip, so it's going to be working the bicep long head, outer part of the bicep. There was only one set, but I'm pretty sure I would have done 3. Now this exercise here, machine preacher curls. It's like to use a little range of motion and focus on getting a good contraction. It's always about getting a good contraction and a good squeeze. And here we are for my second set. That's right, I actually supersetted them. Thinking back now. So I'm pretty sure, if I can remember off the top of my head, I did 3 sets of each. So I did my spider curls, and then I superset it with machine preacher. See closely on my right bicep, there's a little bubble. I think that's a burst vein or a burst vessel or something. That happens when you train too hard. And coming to the end of my bicep workout. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and visit my website on the link below if you're interested in getting a meal plan or workout program.